Hello, everyone. So today I'm going to do a demo of the reverse audio um, component that I just completed. So I have my ghost box going directly into the line in of the reverse audio attachment, and then have it going to the line out to my mixer. So I'm just gonna so I can capture it using my live stream setup. So the box is already on. Um, So basically, I'll just have to turn on the audio during this test. I'm only going to do it maybe for a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to stop it. I've been playing around with it. It works really well. There's a slight delay. Um, it's really not much, but there is a slight delay. So I'm going to go ahead and start the demo and see what happens. Like I said, I'm only do it for a couple of seconds, for a couple of minutes, and then just end the session. But anyway, nothing too crazy, just a quick demo. All right, let me go ahead and turn this up and get started. Is there anybody here that would like to communicate with us and to test out this new reversed feature? All right, I just got a voice that said respond. Who's here with us? And who normally comes through and in this location? There's like 5 spirits, and last Saturday somebody came through pretty good. Can you tell me who that was? Or if there's somebody here with us? So as you can hear, it is in reverse.
Child.
Wow, the child. Yeah, that's correct. There was a child that came through and set up the REM pod. Wow, that's pretty cool.
Healer.
Is there anybody else that has anything to say? Yeah, there's a little girl here that haunts this location. She came through, set off the REM pod last week.
Your hero. Here.
All right, I'm going to end this. Anyway, so yeah, that's it. So as you see, it does work in real time. I'm pretty happy with it. So